Hello children, we have completed our first lesson. Today we will learn the grammar of the first lesson. First we'll start with degrees of comparison. Degrees of comparison. An adjective of quality changes its form when it is used to compare one noun with another. It is called the degrees of comparison of an adjective. There are 3 degrees of comparison: the positive degree, the comparative degree, and the superlative degree. The positive degree is used to refer to one object, person, or place without making any comparison. For example, she has a big house. The comparative degree refers to a greater degree of adjective as compared to the positive degree. For example, it is used to compare two objects, people, or places. For example, her house is bigger than my house. The superlative degree refers to the greatest degree of adjective. It is used to compare more than two objects, people, or places. For example, his house is the biggest of all. In order to form a comparative and the superlative degrees of our objectives, remember the following rules. We add ER and EST to most one or two syllable words that end in consonants. For example, dull, duller, dullest. When the positive ends in E, we add only R and EST to the adjective. For example, large, larger, largest. When the positive ends in consonant plus Y, we drop the Y and add IER and IEST. For example, lucky, luckier, luckiest. When the positive is a word of one syllable that ends in vowel plus consonant, we double the ending consonant and then add ER and EST. For example, red, redder, reddest. When the positive is long, that is, a word of two or more syllables, we add more and most before the adjective to form comparative and superlative degrees. For example, useful, more useful, most useful. There are some adjectives that do not form the comparatives and superlative forms. From their positives, they have irregular degrees of comparison. For example, good, better, best. We use than with a comparative degree, with a superlative degree. For example, Mohan is the shorter than Ricky. Falguni is the shortest girl in her class.